It's the time for the Package from China monthly giveaway. Stay tuned and let's go! Hey Wicked family, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. So in today's video it's time for the monthly giveaway, so that means I'm going to give away some free goodies to you. So for the people who are new to the channel, let me explain myself and why I created this giveaway. I have seen my channel is growing and I just wanted to do something back for all the people who are watching my videos and leaving comments in the community and are one of the Wicked family. So I decided to give away some awesome stuff every month and just picking out random people. Also, I like to change this giveaway, do a little bit of tweaking, improving, sometimes doing things differently just because I like doing that. Alright, so we having 3 people are going to win a package from China. But 2 people are going to get picked from the comment list. Keep in mind, I'm always doing my research. For example, I look how long people are active on the channel, and yes, I can see that, and I can see how active they are. So how long are you, let's say, member of the Wicked family, and how active you are depends on if I'm going to pick you. Alright, so the 2 people who just want something. The first one is Chat Android. You are one of the 2 people who are going to get a little package from China. And the second one is Lawrence. Also you win a small package from China. So I'm not going to say now what I'm going to send you. It's going to be a little bit of a surprise. I hope you're happy with the package from China, the gift, my little gesture to you. But it leaves me to 1 person left. Alright, so for the third and last person, I'm going to do this a little bit differently. Alright, what I'm going to do is the following thing. Like this video, leave a comment and saying hashtag Wicked Family. And I'm going to pick somebody out who left this comment. So yeah, that concludes this giveaway for this month. I hope I can make 3 people happy, and it's just cool to have you all here in the Wicked family. I'm proud to have this awesome community, and I think it's so much fun to give something back to you all. Alright, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you're new to the channel and you're seeing this video and thinking, say what? Yes, you can win awesome stuff, people. Subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell. And if you like gaming, don't forget to check out the Wicked Gaming channel. So yeah, we also do some gameplay. Yeah. See you next time. Bye bye.